Um, Doggy, let's go outside. Come on. So we've just had some snow here. I've got a ball here. The dog is right here. Okay, ready? Okay, well, that was kind of short-lived. And now to lie down on the bed with the ball. There. And make that really annoying noise with the racquetball. There.